Good morning friends. Welcome to Gromax Abacus. In last session we have learned unit place beads value. In today's session we are going to learn tens place values of abacus and how to clean the abacus. Firstly we will start from how to clean the abacus. See, this is my abacus and we want to clean it. Then see, take these two fingers, that is thumb and index finger. Hold the bar like this in your hand and move your fingers like this. This is called long cleaning of abacus. There is another method. You can move your abacus like this and move this index finger like this. This is also one way of cleaning abacus. Both methods are called long cleaning. In abacus, while doing abacus, we are using these 2-3 rods in first level. There is one also method. You can clean only these 2-3 rods which are in use while doing abacus. This is called short cleaning of abacus. Now we will see the values of tens place. In last session I have explained you that beads sticking to this bar got values and I explained you the unit place. Now see, this is our tens place. We will see values of tens place. This is called 1, 0, 10. This is 2, 0, 20. This is 3, 0, 30. This is 4, 0, 40. This is 5, 0, 50. This is 60, 70, 80, 90. This is called 11. 1, 1, 11. This is 1, 4, 14. This is 2, 9, 29. This is 70, 7 to 72. You can read like 72. You can read like little children's, like they are reading in school. 7 to 72, 81, 81. This is the easiest way to read the value. Now see, we will see how to draw tens place beads value in your notebook. See, this is my abacus. These are my 2 rods. This is my bar. This is my unit place. If I want to draw 10, you have to draw 1 on this rod and 0 on this rod. There is no need to draw remaining beads. Now see, I want to draw 11. This is my rods and this is my bar. 11. How will you draw? This is 1 and 1, 11. Now I want to draw 12. 1 to 12. This is my abacus. These are my rods and this is my bar. This 1 and 2. These are 2. While drawing beads, you have to take care that beads must stick to each other. Otherwise, they will not get their value. 1, 3, 13. This is 1, 4, 14. I want to draw 1, 5, 15. 1 and 5, 15. 16. 17.